Peeps! With Busch Gardens Williamsburg's Mardi Gras set to wrap up, it's now time to prepare for their month-long celebration of St. Patrick's Day. After all, why limit St. Patrick's Day to just one day when you can celebrate all month long? Irish spirit, festivity, and green beer will fill Killarney Village at Busch Gardens St. Patrick's Day celebration. Select dates from March 3rd through March 26th. You'll be able to stroll through the park's decorated villages filled with fan-favorite rides and coasters, family-friendly fun, and the much-anticipated return of Celtic Fyre. Plus, you can enjoy additional live entertainment throughout the event with an Irish rock band, performances by local dance schools, and more. Younger guests can enjoy a themed scavenger hunt, snapping a photo with Clancy, Busch Gardens' favorite leprechaun, and saying hello to their favorite Sesame Street friends in the Sesame Street Forest of Fun. Busch Gardens St. Patrick's Day celebration is included in your park admission or the cost of your membership. So what specifically will you be able to enjoy during this year's celebration? Of course, a number of the main events for St. Patrick's Day celebration are centered in Killarney Village. The Killarney Village celebration features music, merriment, and some of Killarney's most iconic characters. Say hello to Mayor O'Malley and snap a photo with festive stilt walkers and townsfolk, sip on an Irish stout, and rejoice in wishing good fortune for all. The six-time winner of the #1 amusement park entertainment by USA Today, Celtic Fyre, will return to the Abbey Stone Theatre. Also in the Abbey Stone Theatre on Saturdays, Virginia's Irish dance schools will show off their amazing local talent. In Ireland Village, you can catch the band Dublin Over as they perform classic Irish songs and contemporary favorites. Expanding beyond Killarney, the Rockin' Celts, an Irish rock band, will pay tribute to classics by U2, Flogging Molly, the Cranberries, and more. And in Das Festhaus, the Emerald Ensemble will sing contemporary songs with a unique Irish twist. Come see your Sesame Street friends live on stage in the Sesame Street Forest of Fun. Join Elmo and his furry friends as they dance, sing, play games, and enjoy another sunny day. As mentioned before, guests can join in on the leprechaun scavenger hunt. Grab a clue sheet at the Welcome Center to begin your quest for these clever fellows who seem to have a real knack for finding the best hiding spots. And of course, the celebration will feature specialty dining. Guests can embark on a flavor-filled journey with Irish-themed fare like Guinness Moose, St. Patrick's Day kettle corn, green beer, and a variety of specialty brews like the Black and Tan and Snake Bite. Many of Busch Gardens ride and attractions will be open for the event, weather permitting. Note that at this time, we do not know if Dark Coaster will be open during the event, as opening date has not yet been announced. Will you be attending Busch Gardens St. Patrick's Day celebration? Select dates from March 3rd through March 26th. Leave us a comment down below with what you're most looking forward to, and while you're down there, like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so that you know when we release our next video. Thanks for watching, Sláinte!